Hi, this is John with WTI, and this keyboard, this 60% keyboard by Royal Clutch, just fixes one of my biggest problems that I have with my desk. So I needed to have a great real estate for me just to have my monitor, my laptop, and other things in my desk. But having a 100 something keys and the 100% keyboard, it will be taking me too much space. But one of the things that I like the most from this keyboard is how easy it's just to travel with, the easiness of just dropping it in my desk, the easy and great battery that it has. It has two USB ports and one Type C that is going to be easy for the battery to keep it connected all the time. The keys are hot swappable, so that means that you can move keys into different places, and it actually comes with the adapter for you to move the keys. It takes a little bit of time for you to just have the learning curve of learning the commands, the FN, but once it's there, the RGB, the light is pretty good, the battery is really good, the keys, it just feels clicky like it should be feeling. So if you're just looking for a great keyboard, 60% keyboard that you can travel with into different places, put in your backpack, put it in your desk, and it's good because you can actually connect it to multiple devices. I have a laptop, or I have two different laptops that I use to work. One as a backup, and my tablet that I would use this. And it has a USB dongle, so you can always stay connected. Or if you decide just to go Bluetooth. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.